Here's how to request a refund for Steam games. First, open Steam. To request a refund, it's important to know the requirements. Generally, you need to have less than 2 hours of playtime and request the refund within 14 days of purchase. To start, find the game in your library. Go to Library, find the game, then click on Help in the top left corner of your screen. Find the purchase you want to refund for. You might need to go to Purchase to find it and request a refund, and Steam will check if you're eligible. Next, choose where you want the refund to go, like your original payment method like PayPal or your Steam wallet, and give a reason for a refund. Example, accidental purchase, and add any notes if you like. Then submit your request. Now wait for approval, and if approved, you'll get your money back. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.